Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase sales with Target, full guide step by step clearly. Understanding your target audience is key to increasing sales with Target. Begin by conducting thorough market research. Identify the demographics most likely to shop at Target. Create customer personas based on this data. Next, analyze Target's current promotional strategies. Review their marketing materials, both online and offline. Take note of events, seasonal promotions, and exclusive offers. Develop a unique selling proposition tailored to Target shoppers. Focus on what makes your product or service stand out. Once you have that clarity, optimize your product listings. Use high-quality images and compelling descriptions. Incorporate relevant keywords. Consider strategic pricing to attract more buyers. Research the price points of similar products being sold at Target. Adjust your prices accordingly to remain competitive. Leverage social media to build brand awareness. Create engaging content that resonates with Target shoppers. Utilize platforms like Instagram and Pinterest for visual appeal. Collaborate with influencers who align with your brand. Their endorsements can help reach a wider audience. Next, explore Target's partnership programs. Consider applying to sell your products directly through Target. Evaluate any marketplace options available to you. Notably, make sure your products meet Target's quality standards. Participate in local events and community outreach. Engage with potential customers face-to-face. Build relationships that can translate into lasting loyalty. Another effective strategy is to utilize Target's advertising services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.